Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to open up 3 Final Fantasy play packs. Relatively quicker than what I usually do. Just go right after it. Oh, I think I need that. Oh, 3 rares. Nothing else. Just go right to the money stuff. Let's see what we got. Oh. Nothing else in that pack. And let's see what we get in this last one today. Nothing much. We did get 2 bonus sheets, I believe. Yeah. Oh, and this one's a mythic. Awesome. All right, let me know what you think today. Have a great day. Oh, leave a comment below.